Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the ninth elf on Bloxburg. So you are going to take quick meal and you're going to select the string cheese here, and you're just going to go to the supermarket. I'm lagging a little bit. Do not eat it. So I'm just going to drive to the supermarket. I'm just trying to make this like as fast as I can, but it's kind of impossible. Turn right over here and turn left. Oh my god, what is up with my parking skills? And you're just going to go here, like near the, like, I don't know what this is called, but it's like in front of the supermarket next to the fence, and you're going to give the string cheese. Voila, that is it for the 9th day of this elf hunt. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.